All right, now let's continue. So let's go back up here. After this method of updating group members, let's also create more methods here, the ones that we are going to use inside the group information screen. Okay, so first of all, we need to create a method to add a group member. Okay, so let's see if Copilot will create this. If not, we'll just create. Okay, it's taking time. Let's create that. So void add a friend to, or let's say add member to group. So here what we need is just we need to require, okay, Copilot was reading, yeah, we need to require this group model. So we're going to get that group member, and then we're going to add them members inside the members list. But now here we're adding them in the members list, yes, but we also need to add them inside our group model. Okay, so let's say group model dot is it members UID. So there we also want to add that group member. Here we want to add only their ID, okay, because this is a string of IDs. Okay, so there we add them, and then after we add them, remember we need to do this again, okay, to also update Firestore. Okay, so we're going to do exactly the same here. All right, here if this is not empty, the group ID will also update Firestore with the new data. All right, we have update group members in Firestore because we have added even this member. Okay, this is just exactly the same thing. I'm not it's if I add here the member, it's going to add them to that list and then also add them in the group model. Okay, once that has happened, we'll check if this is creating the group. We will not do this. If it is inside the group settings, we will do that. Okay, so that's it. Let's minimize that. Then next we are going to do another method after the add a group member. We're going to say also add member as admin. Okay, so here we'll say add a member as so let's say add the member okay, yeah, as an admin. So let's see what Copilot will do there. Looks like now it's loading. Yeah, let's click tab. So here we'll do exactly the same. We'll get that, and then we'll add them to the admins list, and then also we'll add them to the group admins list. Okay, next we are going to check and then also update Firestore. All right, so that's it. So this method and this is like these that we are creating above. So now we don't need these two. The add member, it's the same as add member to group. Okay, this is same as this. Okay, so now let's remove these two methods. We have just updated them. So also this remove, let's do the same. Okay, so this remove group member is just going to happen the same way. First, we are going to group members UID that remove that user, and then we know that if we remove them to the members, they should also not be an admin. Okay, so we are going to remove them also as an admin, and then also we're going to remove them in the group model. Group model dot admins UID dot remove. We are going to remove that member who is a user. What is that? Group member. Group member dot UID. Okay, and then we'll do exactly the same that we are doing here. Let's copy that and then paste it here. All right, now remove group admin. It's just going to remove the admin, and then we're also going to remove them inside the group model dot admins uid dot remove. Then we're going to get group admins dot uid. After that, we'll do the same like that. All right. So that's it. We have created these methods, actually updated them. Now next, let's work on here in the create a group. Here we just need to call the correct edit settings. So here it's going to come from group provider and then group model dot edit settings, like that. Okay, so let's just copy that and add it everywhere. It's going to be coming from group provider group model dot, so this is called what, approve members. Okay, like that. And then here let's paste it, approve members, like that. Then let's paste that here. This is a request to join. Okay, so where else are we having an error? Looks like that's it. And then here we, okay, yeah, this is just the same we are getting from there. Yeah, and then that's it. Next thing we need to go to the, let's go back to the group provider, and then let's also create the method to clear the group. So here you can see that we have created clear group members list. Okay, and then we have clear admins list. So we need to create this. We need to also clear the other one. Okay, so instead of having two methods like this, because this one we are calling it here, and then let's go to, so this one we are calling it in the home screen, and then let's see where we are calling this one also we are calling it in the home screen. Okay, yeah, when we are getting in the room. So we can just call one method here. Okay, so here we can use this one and then just also clear the admins list. Okay, let's copy that and paste that, and then also let's also clear the group model. Okay, so here we are going to say group model. So group model is going to equal to group model dot now here we want to clear, to set it back. So what we're gonna do is, instead of redoing it again, we're just gonna copy all of this. Okay, let's go back here, and then let's remove all of this. And then yeah, we are going to clear it like that. Okay, and then notify the changes. Now we don't even need to call this clear group admins. Let's comment it. So now in the home screen, we're just going to call this one method. Okay, after this method we are going to navigate. Let's cut, then where is that? This one, let's remove that and then paste that. Right, we know that when we call this, we are clearing everything. Okay, because that's when we are creating a group. All right, so that's all the methods that we need to update. And then in the next video now, we are going to get inside the, when we click here, we're going to click here to get inside the group information, and then now do as required, because now we have updated this. Okay, so that's it about this video. Thank you guys, and see you in the next video.